Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to search along your route in Waze. So Waze allows you to search for useful places along your current route without completely changing your destination. So this can be helpful when you need to find a gas station, a restaurant, a parking area or other location during your trip. Right, so actually guys, first you will need to open Waze and start navigation to your destination. Right, so to navigate you will need to go with the search bar right here below at the bottom, and then just go and select a category or a destination, and then right, so we are going to select a category after we go now here, right, and then just tap recenter and then tap at the ETA bar at the bottom, and here you will need to select categories such as gas, food, parking, or another available options. Okay, and the Waze will display places located along or near your current route. Right, so browse the available locations and check their distance from your route, and then just tap a location to view its details such as its name, rating, and estimated detour. So select the place you want to visit and add or tap add stop to add it to your current route. So Waze will update then your navigation and guide you to the added stop before continuing to your original destination. So if you already drive and make route changes only when safely stopped or have a passenger operate Waze for you. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.